like this video and comment down below what you think about this makeup look. Colors are amazing, last longer, so I really recommend for you to try. This is how I finished this makeup tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell. This is Lisa, and in today's makeup look I'm gonna show you how to do this very glamorous, sophisticated and glittery makeup look. I really love how this look turned out, so I hope that you like it much as I do. To begin, I'm gonna use one of my favorite eyeshadow base at the moment, and this is by More Vibrant. And next, to create this makeup look, I'm gonna use this neon palette by Huda Beauty. I'm using the green one. Oh my god, this palette is amazing and I really love the price. And to apply, I'm gonna use a smaller fluffy brush. This is a new brush by Sigma Beauty. I'm gonna link down below for you guys in case you're interested to see, because the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. And I'm gonna pick up this creamy beige matte eyeshadow to apply below my brows, just to highlight a little bit brown eyeshadow from the same palette, Rose Gold Edition by Huda Beauty. And I'm gonna place it just in the outer corner. Without any more product, I'm gonna apply just what's left in the brush in my crease. I'm gonna apply this shimmery, glittery eyeshadow just in the center of the eyelids. And this eyeshadow is very beautiful. I really love it. I think it looks so good in my eyes. So I'm gonna apply just in the center of my eyelid using a normal eyeshadow brush. And to create a more glamorous effect, I'm gonna add a little bit of glitter, and this Reflects Gold by MAC is a really fine glitter. That's why I like so much. I'm gonna do a very big cat eye today, so I'm gonna apply my favorite gel liner, and this is by Sigma Beauty in the shade Wicked. It's very pigmented, waterproof, and amazing. So I'm gonna draw the lines in my cat eye effect today using a very good eyeliner brush, also by Sigma, that I'm gonna link down below for you guys, because this brush is so good. The application of eyeliner with this brush is amazing, and I really recommend you to try this out. So this is how my eyes look after the eyeliner and also the fake lashes. And now I'm gonna do my skin with the universally rose gold elixir in my beauty blender to have a better application, and also to moisturize a little because this foundation is matte. So I'm gonna spread it out by NARS, and I'm gonna apply in my under eyes and also everywhere I want to highlight in my face. And for contour, today I'm gonna use the Cream Contour by Huda Beauty. I love this product. It's one of the best that I have ever. Rose Gold Elixir again. I'm gonna apply a few drops in my cream contour and mix well. So I'm gonna apply my face with a small brush just to concentrate the product everywhere I want to contour, and very easily. So it's a very good product because the texture is amazing and so easy to blend, and also how it looks in your skin is so beautiful. And when I want to create a more natural look today, we want this contrast in the highlighting shades and the sculpt shades. Laura Mercier translucent powder, and after 5 minutes I'm gonna remove the excess product with my favorite brush, and this is Spotlight Duster by Sigma. For blush, I'm gonna use Body by Melt Cosmetics, and this a little tiny bit in my cheeks. As you can see, it's very pigmented already, and I even removed the excess product from my brush. But it looks so good if you blend it so well. And next I'm gonna apply my favorite highlighter at the moment, and this is also by Melt Cosmetics. Oh my god, look this color. This is Stargazer, and for lip liner, I'm gonna use Hex by Melt Cosmetics, and this lip liner is so good. You can And next I'm gonna use the new launch by Sigma Beauty, and this is Behold Liquid Lipstick. Oh my god, this liquid lipstick is amazing. I really love the formula. It's stunning and very hydrating, even though it looks matte and all the color. Like this video and comment down below what you think about this makeup look. Colors are amazing, lasts longer, so I really recommend you to try. This is how I finished this makeup tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell.